You probably heard people say the money is in the list, but what does this mean? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain why building an email list is so important, and I will teach you step by step how you can build your email list from scratch so you can take your business to the next level. Also, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more videos on how to build a successful online business. Okay, so why is building an email list so important? Now, when I first started online, I didn't think that building an email list is that important. I was more focused on creating content on my social media, and I was mostly relying on paid ads. I didn't really care about emails until I messed up with one of my Facebook campaigns. I was totally unaware that I was violating one of the Facebook rules, so they blocked my ad account. Back then I didn't have any backup account, so I had to do everything all over again from scratch. At that moment I realized that relying only on social media is a big risk, so I had to make a backup plan. That's when I started building my email list. Now, with that being said, I will give you my 3 main reasons why you should build your email list. First, you don't own your social media followers. If one day for some reason your social media shuts down, you lose all contact with all of your followers, your customers, your clients, your audience, and that's why you need to have a backup so you don't have to start your business all over again from scratch like I had to. You can restart your business and rebuild your audience much faster if you have an email list. Second, efficient marketing channel. Based on 2018 data, email marketing is still one of the most efficient marketing channels on the internet. Studies have shown that for every $1 spent on email marketing, you get around $40 in return. That is an insanely high return on investment. Third, you build trust with your audience. By sending valuable emails, you're able to build a deeper relationship with your audience. That's very important because people are more likely to buy from someone they know, like, and trust. So how do you build your list? Well, it works like this. You have to give something in return for somebody's email address, because people won't give you their contact information just like that. You will give them a lead magnet. So you need to create an irresistible offer for your audience so they are willing to give you their email address in exchange for that valuable offer. The key to building an engaged email list is having a high converting lead magnet. Here are the top 3 elements of a high converting lead magnet. First, it has to be digital so it can be instantly accessible. Your lead magnet will work best if it is something that can be delivered right away. Second, it must solve a specific problem that your targeted audience has. If you can figure out what problems your audience has and provide them with a lead magnet that helps them solve their problem, then they will happily sign up to your email list. Third, it has to provide high value. This is extremely important. It should have both high perceived value and high actual value. Your lead magnet has to look professional, and that is very important for creating your brand. You always need to deliver at least what you have promised, but it is also good if you sometimes even over-deliver on your promise. Now let me give you some examples of good lead magnets that you can give away in exchange for somebody's email address. One of the best things that you can give away is an ebook. You can give a checklist. A free course is also a good lead magnet, and you can give away templates. Most lead magnets should be able to be consumed in 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure that your content is simple, concise, and to the point, so they can consume it quickly and easily. Now you can use canva.com to create and design all of your lead magnets. Canva is a free graphic design platform where you can make professional ebooks without having any design skills. You can also use it to design your thumbnails, your YouTube banners, and your social media photos. Now, if you don't know what to write or you don't have the time to create a professional ebook, then go to a website called IDPLR and purchase an ebook that you can give to your audience. On this site, they have ready-made ebooks for almost every niche. And if you buy something, you have the right to give it to your audience. Also, if you want to learn how to create a high converting lead magnet, I have a separate video just on that. The link will be in the top right corner of your screen. Now I will show you my example. Let's go on my video where I explained what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. If you watch the video, you will notice that at the end of the video I did a call to action. I suggested to my audience to download my ebook on affiliate marketing. This ebook is my lead magnet. So people who are interested in learning affiliate marketing might be interested in downloading my ebook. Now, if you scroll down in the description, you will see that I have put a link to download my ebook. When you click the link, you will get on my landing page, or we can call it a capture page, because the only purpose of this page is to capture people's name and email address. For someone to download the free ebook, they need to click on this red button, and then it will open this pop-up box where they need to enter their name and email address. When they have done that, they just need to click on yes, give me the free ebook, and then it will take them to my thank you page, and their email address will go into my email list. Now, this is the thank you page. You can see here, congratulations, your ebook is waiting for you in your inbox. So basically, they will receive an email from me with a link to download the free ebook. And in the end, they get the ebook and I get their email address. So this was an example of how to build an email list using YouTube. But no matter which website or platform you use, the principle remains the same. Now, the next question is how to set up all of this. Well, for creating a landing page, I personally use ClickFunnels. It is a website and sales funnel builder all in one. In it, you can create simple pages to collect email addresses, just like we saw earlier, and you can also do more advanced stuff like building a high converting sales funnel. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, I have a separate video only on that. The link will be in the top right corner of your screen. Now, when it comes to email automation, it depends on your needs and budget. Also, if you are an affiliate marketer, you need to look that your email service provider is affiliate friendly. Now, what do I mean by that? I think everyone can agree that ActiveCampaign is one of the best all-around email marketing software in the world, but unfortunately they are not affiliate friendly. They have very strict policies regarding affiliates, and I would not recommend it to beginners. I personally use GetResponse. It has a very simple and user-friendly design, excellent automation and great customer support. With GetResponse, you can create cool landing pages, sales funnel, and it has a very powerful automation builder. In my opinion, GetResponse is the best budget-friendly email marketing software. It has almost all the features as ActiveCampaign, but is slightly cheaper and will get the job done. I will put all the links from the websites mentioned in this video in the description below, so you can check them out if you want. You should now understand the importance of having an email list, and hopefully you have a better understanding of how to build your own list. Remember that the money isn't in the list as much as it is in the relationship that you have with your audience. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, it really helps with the algorithm. Also subscribe and turn on all notifications by clicking on the bell icon to never miss a single video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see ya in the next video.